Compound interest, this is the formula we're going to use. The amount at the end is going to be principal times 1 plus interest rate divided by 100, then you raise to the power number of times you're going to compound it, and P is the amount you put in first. So we do this example by using this formula. So the amount is going to be 5,000 times 1 plus the interest rate 4 divided by 100, then it's raised to the power 4. Now 1 plus 4 divided by 100 is 1.04, so we just write that 1.04 raised to the power 4. Now we just use the calculator. 5,000 times 1.04 raised to the power 4 equal, so we get the amount 5,849 and 29 pence. Now we do this example. So the amount 8,500 times 1 plus 2.5 divided by 100 raised to the power 5. Again, 2.5 divided by 100 is 1.025. Then we raise to the power 5. So 8500 times 1.025 raised to the power 5 equal 9,616, then 97 pence. Now we do depreciation. Only the difference is because the value becomes lower, so the minus sign in the middle. So part 1 is value after 1 year going to be 8,500. Now this is 20%, so it's 1 minus 20 divided by 100, which is 0.8. So we just need to multiply this by 0.8. So 8500 times 0.8 equal, so its value is 6,800. Then after 2 years, whatever values after 1 year, then you multiply that by 0.8. So because we got the number there, the answer, we just say times 0.8, and we get 5,440. 2014, that makes it 5 years. Now we can use the formula. So 8,500, the factor of this is 0.8. This is 5 years times raised to the power 5. 8500 times 0.8 raised to the power 5 equal, so it's worth 2,785 and 28 pence. Now do another example which is more complicated. On part 1, we're starting with 100,000 and we want to finish with 1 million, which is 10 times this 100,000. So we're looking for factor 10. Because the interest rate is 12%, so when we do 1 plus 12 divided by 100, we get this factor 1.12. So we want to know 1.12 raised to the power something is nearly equal to 10 or more than 10. So we try here 1.12 raised to the power 10. So 1.12 raised to the power 10. The factor is 3.1, which is not good enough. Now we try 20. So 1.12 raised to the power 20. 9.6. So we're almost there. If we try 1.12 to the power 21, now this is 10.8, so which is more than 10. So the answer to this question is 21 years. Similarly for part 2, this time we only got 50,000. So 50,000 now we need to multiply by 20 to get million, and 16%, this means the factor is 1.16. We instead go to 20, 1.16 raised to the power 20, just under 20, so it's 19.5. So 1.16 to the power 21 this is 22, so which is more than enough. So this is 21 as well. So the answer here is 21 years as well.